Becoming a successful man is not about money alone. Success usually comes from building good habits, strong character, useful skill, and meaningful relationship. Here are some key principles. Number one, set clear goals. Decide what success means to you. Write down short terms and long term goals. Review your progress regularly. Number two, keep learning. Read books, take courses, and learn from experienced people. Develop skills that are valuable in your career and life. Stay curious and open minded. Number three, work consistently. Success is often the result of small daily actions. Be disciplined even when you don't feel motivated. Focus on progress rather than perfection. Number four, take care of your health. Exercise regularly, eat nutrition food, get enough sleep. A healthy body supports a productive mind. Number five, manage your money wisely. Spend less than you earn, save and invest consistently, avoid unnecessary debt. Number six, build strong relationship. Treat people with respect. Keep your promises. Surround yourself with positive and ambitious people. Number seven, develop confidence. Face challenges instead of avoiding them. Learn from failures. Believe in your ability to improve. Number eight, control your time. Limit distractions. Priorities important tasks. Use your time intentionally. Number nine, be honest and reliable. Integrity builds trust. People respect those who are dependent and truthful. Number 10, never give up. Every successful person faces setbacks. Treat failures as lessons, not endings. A simple formula. Success equal to discipline plus learning plus consistency plus patience. Thank you very much.